Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, finally we meet again. In this moment, I will give you some lessons about punctuation mark. Punctuation mark are symbols in spelling. Then, what are the types of punctuation and how to use punctuation correctly and in accordance with Indonesian rules? Come on, let's discuss together. Have you ever encountered a point, a comma, or a hyphen when you were reading an article or book? Well, that's some example of punctuation. Yes, because there are not only the 3 punctuation mark, but many types. The use of punctuation serves to maintain the effectiveness of communication. Each punctuation mark can mean whether a sentence is in the form of a question sentence, a comment sentence, or a declarative sentence. Giving the wrong punctuation can make the meaning of the sentence different from the concept or meaning. Therefore, let's find out the function of each punctuation mark in Indonesian below. Point. This punctuation mark can almost always be found in a sentence. A period marks the end of sentence. However, there are also some other conditions for using period punctuation. Point that we need to be aware of. First, it is used to end abbreviation. Of the abbreviation is represented by 2 letters. A point is used of as a separator and closing. Example: E point N point for on behalf of. However, if the abbreviation is represented by 3 letters, a full stop is added as closing. Example: page for page. Second, question mark. The next punctuation mark is a question mark. Smart friends are familiar with this one punctuation mark. The function of the question mark is to indicate an interrogative sentence or an interrogative sentence. In addition to asking for an answer and explanation, another function of the question mark is to state a sentence that cannot be proven true or is still ambiguous. For example, is it true in Indonesia there are 100 language? Like that. Third punctuation is a commas. A comma is generally used to separate several parts of a sentence or separate a clause from its main clause. For example, because of his good character, he has many friends. In addition, you can also use a comma before the conjunction. The conjunction that need to be preceded by comma are but, whereas, even, except, even though, while, such as, and namely. Not only that, the comma also turned out to have many other functions, such as first, details. For example, he bought a lot of things, namely pencils, books, and pens. Second, as a liaison between sentences. For example, the word so, even so, therefore, etc. Third, use after or before an exclamation point. For example, hi ma'am, soon, son, daughter, etc. And the next, separate direct quotation from the other parts of the sentence. For example, the principal said, "It is forbidden for us to be lazy in studying." The last punctuation mark is hyphen. Hyphen are often used to string words separated by line breaks. In addition, hyphens are also used to connect words again. For example, butterfly, toy car, like that. Not only that, there are also other functions of hyphens, namely to string Indonesian words with foreign or regional language. Example, download, upgrade. Second, to string together number with an, letters and numbers, and the suffixes like him or her. Okay, I think our lesson is enough. Thanks for your attention. Happy study. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.